Malampuzha Garden is a popular tourist attraction located in the Palakkad district of the southern Indian state of Kerala. The garden is part of the larger Malampuzha Dam project and is spread over an area of 42 acres. It features several themed gardens, fountains, and sculptures, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and garden enthusiasts. The garden was designed by Nek Chand, the creator of the famous rock garden in Chandigarh. The garden is divided into different sections, each with its unique features and attractions. The garden features a wide range of plants, trees, and flowers, including rose gardens, cactus gardens, topiary gardens, and bonsai gardens. Apart from these, the garden also features several other attractions such as the Japanese garden, the snake park, the fish aquarium, and a children's park. In conclusion, the Malampuzha Garden is a beautiful and well-maintained garden that offers visitors a chance to enjoy nature's beauty and relax in a peaceful environment. The garden's unique features and attractions make it a perfect destination for tourists looking for a fun-filled day trip in Kerala. Malampuzha Yakshi is a famous sculpture in the garden. The sculpture is a depiction of a mythical creature called Yakshi, which is a female spirit in Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain mythology. The Yakshi sculpture in the garden was created by Kanai Punzi Raman, a famous sculptor from Kerala. The sculpture is made of concrete and stands at a height of 17 feet, making it an imposing and eye-catching figure in the garden. The Yakshi is depicted as a beautiful woman with an enigmatic smile and a curvaceous figure, which adds to the sculpture's mystique. The Malampuzha Yakshi sculpture has become an iconic symbol of the Malampuzha Garden and a popular tourist attraction in Kerala. It is also considered one of the largest sculptures of Yakshi in India. The sculpture's artistic beauty and cultural significance have made it a favorite subject for photographers and artists who flock to the garden to capture its beauty. Apart from its aesthetic value, the Malampuzha Yakshi sculpture also has a religious and cultural significance. The Yakshi is considered a symbol of fertility, prosperity, and abundance in Indian mythology, and the sculpture's presence in the garden is believed to bring good fortune and blessings to visitors. In conclusion, the Malampuzha Yakshi sculpture is an impressive work of art that represents the rich cultural heritage of India. Its beauty and cultural significance have made it a popular tourist attraction and an iconic symbol of the Malampuzha Garden. Visitors to Kerala should not miss the opportunity to see this magnificent sculpture and experience the serene beauty of the garden. Malampuzha Dam is a large gravity dam on the Malampuzha River in the Palakkad district. It was built in 1955 and is considered to be one of the largest reservoirs in Kerala. The dam project was initiated in the early 1940s and it was completed in 1955. The dam is 6,066 feet, 1849 meters, long. The dam has a maximum height of 355 feet and a width of 118 feet at the base. It has a storage capacity of 8,000 million cubic feet of water. The reservoir created by the dam also serves as a source of drinking water for the nearby towns and cities. In addition, the dam has also become a popular tourist destination over the years. The dam has also been instrumental in the development of the tourism industry in the region, providing a boost to the local economy. In conclusion, the Malampuzha Dam is an impressive feat of engineering that has had a significant impact on the agricultural, economic, and tourism development of the Palakkad district. The dam and its associated facilities continue to attract tourists from all over the country, making it an important landmark in Kerala.
bang? Saya dah minta.
The Snake Rehabilitation Center of Malampuzha is a unique initiative undertaken by the Kerala Forest Department to rescue and rehabilitate snakes. The center is located within the Malampuzha Garden and is open to the public, providing visitors with a chance to learn about snakes and their conservation. The center was established in 1987 and has since rescued and rehabilitated thousands of snakes. The center has a team of experienced professionals who are trained to handle snakes safely and humanely. The rescued snakes are brought to the center, where they are treated for injuries or illnesses before being released back into the wild. The center provides visitors with an opportunity to observe several species of snakes up close, including cobras, vipers, and pythons. Visitors can also learn about the different types of snakes, their habitats, and their behavior. The center has informative displays that educate visitors about snake conservation and the importance of snakes in the ecosystem. The center also conducts educational programs and awareness campaigns to promote snake conservation. The center works closely with local communities to educate them about the importance of snakes and how to coexist with them in a safe and responsible manner. In conclusion, the Snake Rehabilitation Center of Malampuzha is a valuable initiative that promotes snake conservation and educates visitors about snakes and their importance in the ecosystem. A visit to the center provides a unique and educational experience that is sure to leave visitors with a newfound respect for these misunderstood creatures. The freshwater aquarium of Malampuzha is a popular tourist attraction located within the Malampuzha Garden. The aquarium is home to a wide range of freshwater fish species, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers and aquarium enthusiasts. The freshwater aquarium is spread over an area of 2,000 square feet and houses over 200 species of freshwater fish. The aquarium features several large tanks that are designed to replicate the natural habitats of the fish. The tanks are beautifully decorated with rocks, plants, and other natural elements, making it a treat for the eyes. Some of the popular fish species that can be seen in the aquarium include the pearl spot, the tilapia, the catfish, and the snakehead. The aquarium also has several exotic fish species from South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Visitors can also see several species of turtles and crabs in the aquarium. Apart from the fish species, the freshwater aquarium also provides visitors with a wealth of information about the ecology and biology of freshwater fish. The aquarium has interactive exhibits that educate visitors about the fish species' behavior, diet, and life cycles. Visitors can also learn about the importance of preserving freshwater ecosystems and the threats faced by freshwater fish species. In conclusion, the freshwater aquarium of Malampuzha is a fascinating destination that provides visitors with a glimpse into the world of freshwater fish. The aquarium's beautifully designed tanks and educational exhibits make it a must-visit attraction for nature lovers and aquarium enthusiasts. A visit to the Malampuzha Garden and the freshwater aquarium is a perfect way to spend a relaxing and educational day in Kerala.